4 colors. First, I'll go first. Yay, I got blue. This is all of my favorite colors. Pink, purple, and blue. Yeah. Okay, my brother's turn. Okay.
No, I'm gonna go and pick some colors, but I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay, Andy, what colors do you want though?
I want red, gray, and pink. Yeah, I got gray. Red, my second favorite color. And pink. All 3 colors I wanted.
Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put the blue first.
I'm gonna put the pink first.
It looks so shiny and glittery, right?
Yeah. Ugh. Looks so squishy.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like pink.
It kind of looks like the cafeteria's lady. What she makes.
Won't come out.
Yeah. It's so gooey.
See, Haley, I heard that sound one time when you were in the bathroom.
Hi, I got that when you were in the bathroom. See, that's what I heard. Yeah, look. Look, boy. Can y'all see, guys? We're gonna have some bad talk with you getting out in my time.
Haley, when we're done, do you want to eat all the slime?
No way! Oh yeah, but it's cool what you think. It's cool.
Come on, Haley, it looks delicious. Mine looks like yogurt.
Mine looks like frozen yogurt. Mine looks like blue yogurt. Mm-hmm. Well, let me do white pea. Yeah, you use white peas probably.
Just here. That was a really bad idea. It tricked me. I just thought it was yogurt. It looks so good, Mom.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I think I'm done with my first color. Okay, let's get.
It looks like paint moving everywhere.
Yeah, it looks like a face.
If you get 2 colors and mix them, it'll probably look like a galaxy.
I
I'm
know.
gonna do gray next because it'll probably look cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a.
Let's try it out.
I'm gonna get a different color. I'm gonna use pink.
I'm making a cake.
I'm baking the cake. It looks so cool.
Look like one of your dresses at home here.
Okay, let's do some pinky. Some pinky has to get business here. This pink needs to learn its lesson. It needs to learn, get out of this bottle. This is like a twirly cake that I baked.
Looks like a mix. A cake mix.
Ooh, look, there's some bubbles.
Oh, this looks cool.
Yeah, what's up?
Look
Wow. Well,
at ugh. Starting to look nasty.
I'm gonna start. Yeah.
I'm gonna start with red now.
Wow, look at mine.
Kind of reminds little people from home. Your skin. Haley, look, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Oh no.
No, you need the emergency. Here, you want some glitter and cake.
Squeezing the jelly.
Ooh, jelly. Jelly, jelly. You look so. I'm gonna start stirring too. I think that's a good idea.
Looks like the rest of you in your shine.
Me too. I think that too. Ooh, look at my slime. It looks so. Look at mine.
Mine looks like Christmas colors.
Ooh.
Now I'm gonna add some slime activator.
Well, I'm gonna add some of it after she's done.
Ooh.
Whoa. Well, I think I added too much. Do you hear it? It sounds like your jelly that you jiggle jiggle. I think his looks kind of chunky. Wow, this looks so cool, sparkly. I like yours too.
It's starting to get in a ball. Looks like gum.
Ooh, eat that gum. Ew. Wait, is it butt?
Now I'm gonna add some baking soda.
Now, after he's done, I'm gonna add some baking soda. Well, I'm gonna keep stirring until he's done with it. Okay, I think he's done.
Here you go.
Ooh. You're gonna be a mess. You're gonna be a hot mess. Alright guys, I have to figure out how to wash this off. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.